Question 14, 2020 paper 1 GCE. We continue. The diagram below shows 3 points OA and B in which OB is equal to AB. The first thing you do when answering bearings, you extend the lines. As you can see here, there was no line. I have extended the line and I've indicated the north. Even here I've introduced the north and extended the line. Why am I extending the lines? Because I want us to have what we call parallel lines, which will help us now to find some missing angles. For example, if you look at this line here, the north for O, and this line, the north for A, there are two parallel lines. So when this line is drawn, it is acting as a transverse, which means we can even have angles alternating. You produce a Z like this, which means the third which is here will come here. Again, you have to observe that this is a 40, and they are saying OB is equal to OA. This is making a isosceles triangle. So what we have here is an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle having a 40 here. These two are equal. If these two sides are equal, even these two angles are equal. So you have to say, 180 will subtract 40. Then the remainder we divide by 2. So 180 minus 40, you are going to get, the answer will be 140. 140 divided by 2, you have to get what? 70. It means that here you have 70 and here you have 70. So this 30 is part of the 70 which is here. And this is also 70 degrees. From this thing here, so if here you have the total of 70 and we are alternating the 30 which is here, we put it here. It means that here we are remaining with 40. Again, these two are parallel lines, which means when you do this, you get the 40 which is here, you bring it here. Again, 40 plus 40, from 180, you get 100. So this is 100 and this is 100. If this is 100, it means here you are missing what? 8. This is how it works. So we get back to the questions now. They want you to find the bearing of B from A. Ukufumaku A. So you have to stand at the north of A. This is the north of A. Then you start moving in a clockwise direction. Right. Not until you meet the line AB. So you start moving from the north of A in a clockwise direction until you meet the line joining B and A. Then you ask yourself a very simple question. Wushei ango na kava panishinga na lishibatinga na shide, if so, I'm making a straight line. So, this straight line inapanga na bampela ko 40 yo. Nge yapa. Yala bashinga. So you have to say the bearing of B from A is equal to 180 minus 40, giving you 140 degrees. So the answer here is 140 degrees.